Ka National Institute of Fashion Technology NIFT kala Pynkupburom ikin Ngut ki Samla Pule jongka hadian bakila pendap iki kedan jing Pule jongki haka Master of Fashion Management, Bachelor of Accessory Design, but Bachelor of Fashion Design. Yakini ki Samla Pule ka NIFT la Pynkupburom da Myntri Rangbah ka Jalau Dr. Mukul Sangma haka jingelang ka belalong haka jaka Pule ka badan halau mali. Nakaliang ka NIFT kala airu ya ka Kusnam Special Award syaki katu kat ni ki Samla Pule ki bayo ya ka NIFT Best Academic Performance Award, NIFT Extraordinary Service Award, but NIFT Student of the Year Award. Haka ni ngilai dan ringkat lang u Director in Charge ke NIFT u Rik C.R. Marang u Assistant Professor MFM Department Arnab Banerjee but Deputy Director FNA Brinal Sajwan.
At the very outset, I must congratulate all of you. A big congratulations to all the proud products of Nift Shillong. And it is indeed a wonderful privilege for me to be part of this wonderful program. It just rekindled the memory of my part of life, which was just like yours when I was a student. And looking at all of you from all across the country who have chosen this very challenging career, I can easily tell everyone present here today that you are definitely bold, ambitious young men and women, because you have chosen a career while diverse choice is available before you. You have decided to choose this career, which is challenging and which requires lots of commitment to be able to bring the best out of you. That's why it is reflective of your self-confidence, the faith in yourself, that you all believe in yourself. That's the reason why you have chosen this wonderful career.